Today is Saturday and the weather is looking great. I really hope that we will get a lot of things done in the garden today because this is the last weekend with no plans in some time. Next weekend our daughter has a birthday and we have a birthday party that weekend and the weekend afterwards, and then there is a party in the family that we need to attend. So suddenly the weekends are filling up with plans, but luckily plans that we also enjoy. But that means that we really also need to enjoy and get a lot out of this weekend. So let's get on with it. Just wanted to take the quick opportunity to show you that these anemone that I put down 2 weeks ago have started to sprout and is looking fantastic. I'm very happy that it turned out good and that they are appearing as they should right here. Really looking forward seeing them in a short while. And here is the Achillea, it's called in Danish. I think it's Columbine in English. I'll just check. Coming up. And also here the hosta. So in this bed they look like they're all working out, and I'm so thrilled that it worked. And down here you can just get the glimpse of this allium on its way. I'm really looking forward to seeing them also. It's so cool to see how all these things that I put down in the fall that were just tiny bulbs and tiny small plants, some even without leaves or anything, is coming together and is sprouting out of the ground. It's really exciting to watch. And here you can see how the tulips are also starting to pop. First it's the white exotic emperor, and in here it's the crown of Nigeria. I think I'll just find the name and put it in a text. And these lighter purple ones. Over here it's also possible to see that some of the peonies have made it and are on their way. Not all of them are visible yet, but this one is, and that is fantastic. Just need to figure out if I have to save them from this tulip leaf here, or if they're able to find their way around it. So great to see. It's so difficult to get the beauty on screen like this, but I hope it's possible to see how beautiful this flower bed has become. The sound in the background is my neighbor who is working on something, but that shouldn't change the fact that this is just so magnificently beautiful, and I'm so thrilled to see how it's evolving. If everything turns out right, I will be making more beds here in the front yard with the same structure and the same plants and the same color palette. I'm really looking forward to seeing if this turns out the way I visioned it. I just wanted to go out into the shred to give you a short update on the seedlings that I replanted last weekend. So now these ones has been out in the shed for a week and they are doing just fine. Even though we have had some very cold nights and there are no heating out here, they look fine and they are growing. These ones that I don't remember the English name for, but I will just put it down here. They need to get cut because else they will be very long and dangly. And I need to look for which of the leaves underneath the top shoot is the staying ones. They should have small buds for leaves under here, and I actually believe that I can see a tiny one. So I will take off the top shoot at this level. I wasn't sure if I needed to do it on the level below, but I think that this is the right way to go. So I'm always a bit nervous about taking something off the plants like this, but I have been reading on it, and it should be the right way to go to get a lot of flowers. So yes, fingers crossed that this was the right way. I often have a long list of jobs to do in the garden, and one of the problem areas in our garden is over here, where we have a lot of bushes and growth that are growing in between each other and is all over the place. And what I wanted to do today is actually to take out this tree, because it is, for one, leaning, and for the other, I don't think that it's doing anything good for the garden. By removing it, I will have some space to get rid of the growth here that I don't like, and hopefully my other bush will be able to be cut more easily into shape. So hopefully we will be able to get that done today. I'm always a bit scared to take away too many of the plants here, because I also wanted to have this woodland kind of feeling. But on the other hand, when you look at it from the side, there are 2 tall trees already that I think is doing the garden more justice. We also have these 2 very large trees that get these red leaves. I'll try to find the name and put it here also. So I do not think that it will change much on the way that the garden is looking and the woodland feeling over here. So my husband is now ready to help me tackle this project. When it comes to the planning part, it's mostly me, and when it needs a lot of muscle, then I get him in to help me do the job. We will chop off the stem around here a bit tall, because our experience from taking up a lot of trees and bushes is that it's an advantage to have some of the stem left to be able to pull it. So let's see how it goes.
Var der nogen, der endte med at slå nogen ihjel? Kan du ikke huske den sag her for... den her... Den kan jo ikke save, den her save.
Skal du ikke have din motorsav så?
Jo, så tager det kun 2 sekunder. Det der tager tid, det er faktisk at rulle ledningen ud.
Den vej nu.
Jamen det gør den nemlig ikke, fordi vægten gør også noget, så vægten vil gøre, at den vælter den vej, og så hvis kilden gør, at den vælter den vej, så håber jeg på, at det bliver et sted midt imellem.
Ja, jeg havde ret, den gik den her vej. So this was it for all the branches, and here are the logs that I now need to sew up.
Så fik jeg det den der.
Det var godt. Phew, finally that job is done. I really do not care for sawing. I hate it, but at least now the logs are ready to go over to the other ones, and there has been a cleanup after the most of the tree anyway. Now I'll see how Christian is getting along. Og den giver sig ikke.
Jeg lige lidt jord ved igen. En sav. Så skal vi have en sav. Har du en sav?
Ja, der lå en herovre. Right, the weather started out really nice here in the morning, but now it is coming to, the rain is starting, and it's lunchtime, so I think I will go inside, get a little bit to eat, and hopefully the weather will be better afterwards.
Den er vist fået nok lavet på hjernen. Det er meget rart.
Ja, men han skal alligevel køre stærkt.
Men det fik du færdig før mig.
Det var da fordi, at jeg kun havde et hjerte. Du har to.
Hvad filmer du?
At jeg spiser vafler.
Er du okay?
Ja. Men det virkede. Hvordan fanden hiver vi den så op?
Jeg starter lige med den her. Som med den her.
Og så væk. So here is what the space looks like now with the tree gone, and I'm happy to say that I don't feel like it's missing. So now I'm just taking away a lot of weeds and stuff from this corner to make it ready for a few stones that I hope to find on the recycling station later. And then I will look into some plants to set in the ground over here around these stones.
Du der også, sagde du ikke?
Nej. Nej, tak. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the makeover of the corner of our woodland border, and that I'll see you next time where I'll show you more of what is going on in my garden. Bye!